Do you want to speak English, but you have nobody to practice with?
Oh, that is me. That is exactly me. I live alone. No English speakers around me.
And you think, I cannot improve because I have no one to talk to, right?
Yes, that is what I used to think. I need a partner. I need a class. I need someone.
But what if I told you you do not need anyone? You can practice English completely alone.
Wait, really? Alone? At home? Every day?
Every single day. And that is exactly what we are teaching today, right here on SpeakMint English channel.
This is the episode I needed 1 year ago. I wish someone told me this earlier.
Well, now you know, and now your listeners know too. Let us go. But first, one small and easy favor. Just 30 seconds, I promise.
Super easy. Even easier than learning English alone.
If SpeakMint English channel is helping you, please subscribe to our channel right now.
One click, free forever. Do it now before you forget.
And share this episode with one friend who wants to improve their English.
That friend is probably sitting at home right now thinking, I have nobody to practice with.
Send them this episode. Change their life today.
And give us a like if you enjoy learning with us. It really helps us a lot.
Okay, let us get into today's topic. This one is going to be very practical. Today, we are talking about how to practice English alone at home every day.
Alone at home. No teacher, no partner, no class, just me and English.
Exactly. And this is actually one of the most powerful ways to improve.
Really? I always thought I needed a teacher or a conversation partner.
A teacher helps, a partner helps, but daily solo practice, that is where real improvement happens.
Because you can do it every day, at any time, in your pajamas if you want.
Yes, exactly. No schedule, no pressure, just you and the language.
Okay, so what do I actually do? What does practicing alone look like?
We have 5 powerful methods. Simple, free, and you can start today.
5 methods. Let's hear them all. I'm ready.
Method 1. Talk to yourself, in English, out loud.
Talk to myself. People will think I'm crazy.
Nobody can hear you at home, and this is one of the best speaking practices.
Okay. So what do I say to myself?
Describe what you are doing, right now, in real time.
Like, I am sitting on my sofa. I am listening to a podcast. I am drinking tea.
Exactly. Simple present tense. Describe your actions as they happen.
Oh, like a sports commentator, but for my own boring life.
Yes, I'm opening the fridge. I'm looking for food. I see nothing interesting.
That's my fridge every evening.
You can also narrate your morning. I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea.
And this actually helps? Just talking to myself?
It trains your brain to think in English, not translate. Think directly.
That's the goal, to stop translating and start thinking in English.
Exactly. And talking to
Method
yourself
2,
is the first
shadowing.
step to getting
This
there.
is a very
Listeners,
powerful
try
technique.
it right now.
Shadowing?
Say out loud what
Like
you're doing
following
at
a
this
shadow?
moment.
In
Are
a
you
way,
sitting,
yes.
lying
You
down,
listen to English
eating?
and you
Say
repeat
it.
exactly
I am,
what you hear.
and finish the
At
sentence.
the same time. Go,
Oh,
out loud.
like
Don't be
copying
shy.
the speaker.
Nobody is
their
watching.
words, their speed,
Did you try?
their pronunciation.
Wonderful. That was your
Exactly.
first solo
You
English
become
practice.
their shadow.
Method
You
1
copy
done.
everything.
This sounds difficult. What if I cannot keep up with the speed?
Start slow. Use a video or podcast at slow speed. Most apps have a slow speed option.
Oh yes, YouTube has 0.75 speed, even 0.5 speed. Very helpful.
Yes, start at slow speed, then normal speed, then faster, step by step.
And what kind of content should I shadow? Any English video?
Start with simple content, easy conversations, short sentences, like this podcast.
Oh, people can shadow us? Shadow SpeakMint English?
Absolutely. We speak slowly and clearly, perfect for beginners to shadow.
I love that. So listeners, rewind this episode and repeat after us.
Yes, pause after each line and say the same sentence. Copy our voice exactly.
The pronunciation, the rhythm, the feeling. Copy all of it.
Shadowing trains your mouth muscles. English sounds need practice to come out naturally.
It is like exercise, but for your mouth. Mouth gym.
Mouth gym, I like that. Listeners, try shadowing for just 5 minutes today.
5 minutes only. Rewind, repeat, copy. That is all.
Did you try even a little? Amazing! Method 2, done. Method 3, write an English diary. Every day, just a few sentences.
A diary, like writing down my day in English?
Exactly. Every night, write 3 to 5 sentences about your day in English.
Only 3 sentences? That sounds very manageable.
That is the point. Small, daily, consistent. That is the key.
What do I write about? My whole day?
Keep it simple. Today, I woke up at 7. I had tea and bread for breakfast. I went to work.
Oh, just like our daily routine episode. I can use those phrases.
Yes, everything connects. Your vocabulary grows every day.
And writing helps you remember words because you think and then write.
Exactly. Writing is slower than speaking, so your brain works harder to find the right word.
What if I do not know how to spell a word?
Use Google Translate. Use a dictionary. Look it up. That is learning.
Oh, every time I look up a word, I remember it better than if someone just told me.
Because you needed it, you searched for it. That makes it stick in your memory.
I started an English diary 6 months ago. My writing is so different now.
Really? What changed?
Before, I wrote like a child. Short words, wrong spelling, very simple.
And now?
Now, I write longer sentences. I use new words. I feel more confident.
That is the power of consistency. A little bit every day adds up to a lot.
Listeners, tonight, write 3 sentences about today. Just 3.
Start with, today I woke up at, and keep going from there. 3 sentences. That is your homework for tonight. Easy, right?
Did you make a mental note? Great. Method 3, done.
Method 4, watch English content that you actually enjoy.
Oh, this one sounds fun. Not like studying at all.
That's the idea. Learning shouldn't always feel like work.
So I watch English movies, English YouTube videos.
Yes, but with a small trick. Use English subtitles, not your own language subtitles.
English subtitles, not my language. That's harder though.
A little harder, yes, but your brain connects the sound to the written word.
Oh, I hear the word and see it at the same time. Double learning.
Exactly. Your reading and listening improve together at the same time.
What kind of content is best for beginners?
Start with content made for children or beginners. Simple words, clear speech.
Children's shows? Ha, like cartoons.
Cartoons are perfect, actually. The language is simple, the speech is clear and slow.
I watched the children's cartoon in English once. I understood almost everything.
Yes, because the vocabulary is A1 level, perfect for building your base.
And as you improve, you move to harder content, step by step.
Exactly. Start easy, build confidence, then go harder. What about music? Can I learn from English songs? Yes, songs are wonderful for learning rhythm and pronunciation.
I learned so many phrases from songs without even trying.
Because music is emotional. Emotional things stick in your memory longer.
Listeners, tonight watch one short English video with English subtitles.
Even 5 minutes, even a cartoon, just start.
Method 4, easy and enjoyable. My favorite so far.
And method 5, the mirror technique, my personal favorite.
The mirror technique? I'm curious. What is this?
You stand in front of a mirror and you talk to yourself in English, like a conversation.
Talk to my reflection? Ha, like I'm interviewing myself.
Exactly. Ask yourself questions and answer them out loud in English.
Like, hello, what is your name? My name is Ryan. Where are you from?
Yes, exactly like that. You practice both sides of a conversation.
Oh, that's actually very smart. I practice asking and answering.
And the mirror helps you watch your facial expressions, your mouth movements.
Oh, I can see if I'm smiling, if I look confident, if my mouth is making the right shape.
Pronunciation is physical. Your lips, your tongue, your jaw all matter.
The mirror helps me see all of that. I never thought of that before.
Many famous language learners use this technique. It really works.
I tried this once. I felt very strange at first, talking to my own face.
Yes, it feels strange in the beginning, but after 2 or 3 days, it feels normal.
And I noticed my confidence went up because I got used to hearing my own English voice.
That is so important. Many learners are scared of their own English voice.
Yes, I used to hate how my English sounded, but the mirror made me accept it and improve it.
Listeners, try this tonight, just 2 minutes in front of the mirror. Say, hello, my name is, and introduce yourself. Look at yourself,
Now,
smile,
let us learn
speak.
5 very
2 minutes
useful
only,
words
that's
for
all.
today's
But it
topic.
will feel very
Ready?
powerful.
Always ready.
Method 5.
Let us go.
Complete.
The
5
word
methods total.
practice
All
means
free,
to
all
do
doable
something
at home.
many times to get better at it.
For example, I practice English for 30 minutes every morning.
The word consistent means doing something regularly without stopping.
For example, the most important thing in learning English is being consistent.
The word improve means to get better at something over time.
For example, my speaking improved a lot after I started the mirror technique.
The word confident means feeling sure of yourself, not scared or nervous.
For example, after 3 months of practice, I felt more confident speaking English.
And the last word, technique. Technique means a method or a way of doing something.
For example, shadowing is a very effective technique for improving pronunciation.
5 great words: practice, consistent, improve, confident, technique.
Say them all with me now. Practice, consistent, improve, confident, technique. Go.
Say each word clearly, out loud, one by one.
Did you say them all? Perfect. Those words will help you talk about your English learning journey.
Okay, listeners, let us make a simple practice plan together right now.
Yes, a real plan, because a plan makes it easier to actually do it every day.
We call it the 15-minute English home routine.
Only 15 minutes? That is nothing. Everyone has 15 minutes.
Exactly. Here's how it works. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the afternoon, 5 minutes at night.
Oh, split into 3 small pieces. That feels very easy.
Morning 5 minutes, talk to yourself while getting ready. Describe your actions.
I am brushing my teeth, I am making tea, I am getting dressed. Easy.
Afternoon 5 minutes, watch one short English video with English subtitles.
5-minute YouTube video, English subtitles, done.
Night 5 minutes, write 3 sentences in your English diary and try the mirror for 2 minutes.
Diary plus mirror, 5 minutes total. That's the whole plan.
15 minutes a day, every day, that's 105 minutes a week.
Wow, that sounds like a lot when you add it up.
Consistency is more powerful than one long study session once a week.
Little and often beats a lot and rarely. Always.
Listeners, say this out loud now. I will practice English for 15 minutes every day.
Say it. Make that promise to yourself right now. Go.
Did you say it? That promise is the first step to real improvement. We believe in you. Let us quickly go through all 5 methods we learned today. Ready?
Ready. Let us remember everything.
Method 1. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions in English, out loud.
The solo sports commentator method works amazingly well.
Method 2. Shadowing. Listen to English and repeat at the same time.
Mouth gym. Copy the speaker's words, speed, and pronunciation. Train your mouth.
Method 3. English diary. Write 3 sentences about your day every night.
Small, simple, consistent. 3 sentences and your writing improves every week.
Method 4. Watch English content you enjoy with English subtitles.
Fun and educational. Cartoons, videos, songs, all count.
Method 5. Mirror technique. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Build confidence.
2 minutes a day, watch yourself speak. Get comfortable with your English voice.
And the 15-minute daily plan. Morning, afternoon, night. 5 minutes each.
15 minutes a day, every day. That is the secret formula.
You know, the biggest mistake English learners make is waiting.
Waiting for what?
Waiting for the perfect time, waiting for a class, waiting for a partner. Just waiting.
I did that for 2 years. I kept saying, I will start when I find a good teacher.
And what happened?
2 years passed. My English was the same because I kept waiting and never started.
And then?
One day, I decided, okay, I will just start, alone, at home, whatever I can do.
And?
In 3 months, my English changed so much just from small daily habits at home.
That's the truth. Starting is the hardest part. After that, it gets easier every day.
Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start today with what you have where you are.
Even 5 minutes a day is better than 0 minutes, always.
Small steps are okay. Practice every day. You're doing great.
And you're not alone on this journey. We're here every week with new episodes.
We are your English practice partners right here on SpeakMint English.
You're stronger than you think, and your English is better than you believe. Keep going. Before we go, one easy and fun request from us.
Super easy. 30 seconds, you can do this.
Go to the comments right now and write, which method will you try first?
Talk to yourself? Shadowing? Diary? Mirror? Which one?
Write it in the comments. We read every single one. We want to know your answer.
And if you're not subscribed to SpeakMint English yet, subscribe right now.
New episodes every week. All beginner-friendly, all free, all useful.
And share this episode with one friend who wants to improve their English.
That friend is waiting for the perfect time to start. Send them this. Tell them, start today.
Don't let your friend keep waiting. Share this now.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today's episode of SpeakMint English Channel.
Already? I want to keep practicing. Can we do the mirror technique together?
Do it at home, Ryan, tonight, in front of your mirror.
I will, and so should all of you listeners. Tonight, mirror, 2 minutes, go.
Remember, you don't need anyone to practice English. You have yourself.
You have your voice, you have your mirror, you have your diary, you have SpeakMint English.
That's everything you need to improve, starting today.
15 minutes a day, every day, watch how much you improve in 1 month.
We're so proud of you for being here today. Keep showing up, keep practicing.
You are amazing, and your English is getting better every single day.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time on SpeakMint English Channel.
Bye-bye. Now go talk to yourself. In English, you have permission. Ha!
Take care, everyone. Until next time, bye.